This is a 1995 F-150. It's a project that I've been working on for about a year and a half. This truck, I purchased it to fix it for my son. He's 10 years old right now, but this is going to be his truck when he gets to high school. Put on some tires for now. They're 30 by 9.5 by 15. Eventually I want to get some bigger tires and I want to lift it up a little bit. I have a leveling kit on it, but it didn't do very much, so I want to lift it up another 2 inches. I had the truck repainted about a year ago, and this is the pickup. I had the paint redone, the original color. It turned out okay. Let me go around the other side, open it up. Oops. So this is the back side of it. This is the other side view. Place the mirrors. Wrapped it in, I think this is Argentinian leather. It's Brahma bull hide. Had the carpet redone as well. It's a dark brown tan leather with a houndstooth material in the middle. I think it turned out okay. Had the headliner done as well. That's actual vinyl. It's not leather, but the rest of it is leather. There's the back side of it. The carpet is actually, I think it's wool. It's a nice material. But this is it. So this is my son's pickup to be. But for now, I get to drive it. I have another pickup that I'm fixing for my other son. That's a work in progress as well. It's a 68 Chevrolet short bed C10. And it's my first video on these trucks, so stay tuned.